Hey there, fellow dreamers and aspiring bloggers. Welcome back to our MoneyXGrab channel. Picture this. A few years ago, I was just another voice in the digital wilderness, typing away my thoughts on a blog that barely had any visitors. But then, something magical happened. I cracked the code to turn my passion into profits, and today, I'm here to guide you on that very journey. In this video, we're diving deep into the captivating world of blogging and how you can transform your blog from a creative outlet into a lucrative business venture. So, grab your notepad, because we're about to map out your path from blog to bank. Before we jump into the treasure trove of blogging riches, let me share a personal story. Back when I started my blog, I had no idea that it could evolve into a profitable venture. I wrote passionately about my interests, shared my experiences, and slowly but steadily, I gained a loyal readership. Fast forward to today, and my blog isn't just a corner of the internet. It's a thriving business that's opened doors to unimaginable opportunities. And I'm thrilled to guide you through the steps to achieve your very own, from blog to bank, success. Blogging has come a long way since its inception as online journals. Today, it's a dynamic platform that allows you to showcase your expertise, connect with like-minded individuals, and, yes, make serious money while doing what you love. Point 1. Laying the foundation. To transform your blog into a money-making machine, you need a strong foundation. According to research, successful bloggers emphasize the importance of finding your niche and establishing your unique voice. Your blog should be a reflection of your passions and expertise, standing out in the sea of digital content. Screenshots of successful blogs in different niches. The screen transitions to a captivating display of successful blogs representing various niches: fashion, travel, personal development, food, technology, and more. These screenshots highlight the distinct visual styles, branding, and content that make each blog unique and appealing. You often see bloggers immersed in their work. The scene shifts to portray passionate bloggers immersed in their creative process. We see bloggers brainstorming ideas, jotting down notes, and crafting content that resonates with their niche. The visuals capture the dedication and authenticity that fuel their blogs. Remember, your blog isn't just a platform. It's your brand, your online identity. So, choosing a niche isn't just about following a trend, it's about connecting with what truly resonates with you. Your blog is a canvas where you can showcase your expertise, share your unique perspective, and let your authentic voice shine through. Imagine your blog as a digital masterpiece, carefully sculpted by your passions, interests, and experiences. When you zero in on a niche that truly lights your creative fire, your enthusiasm will fuel your content, making it magnetic to your target audience. And let's face it, in a digital landscape overflowing with information, authenticity is the golden ticket. Your readers aren't just looking for information. They're seeking a connection, a genuine voice that speaks to their needs and aspirations. Point 2. Creating compelling content. Now, let's talk about the heartbeat of your blog, your content. Research shows that, cite reliable source, blogs that offer valuable, engaging, and well-researched content attract a dedicated readership. It's not just about quantity. It's about the quality of the content you deliver. To be successful, bloggers brainstorm, write, and edit their articles. Some appears to be passionate bloggers in action. We witness bloggers brainstorming ideas, diligently crafting their articles, and engaging in the creative process. These clips showcase the dedication and effort that goes into producing high-quality content. Before and after visuals of blog posts. A captivating transformation unfolds as we witness before and after visuals of blog posts. The before snapshots depict basic formatting and visuals, while the after snapshots reveal enhanced layouts, eye-catching graphics, and engaging visuals that elevate the overall reader experience. Think of your blog as a haven for your readers, a place they return to for insights, inspiration, and solutions. When you consistently provide value, your readers will keep coming back for more. In a world where attention spans are fleeting, your content is your currency. It's the bridge that connects you with your audience, forging a connection that goes beyond mere words. When you invest time and effort into creating content that resonates, you're building a loyal community that hangs onto your every word. And here's the beauty of it all. Creating compelling content isn't just about sharing information. It's about crafting an experience. From captivating storytelling to informative visuals, every piece you publish should transport your readers on a journey of discovery. Point 3. Monetizing your blog. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, turning your blog into a revenue generator. According to recent data, bloggers are monetizing through various channels, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling digital products. Successful bloggers showcase their websites displaying their unique monetization strategies. The screen showcases a dynamic montage of successful bloggers' websites, each highlighting different monetization methods. We see examples of affiliate marketing banners, sponsored posts seamlessly integrated into content, and enticing calls to action for digital products. These screenshots provide real-world inspiration for viewers. Interestingly, the process of affiliate marketing and creating digital products often play a key role. Engaging animations illustrate the process of affiliate marketing, showing how bloggers seamlessly incorporate affiliate links and earn commissions from recommended products. Another animation showcases the steps to create and market digital products, from ebooks to online courses, highlighting the potential for passive income. From partnering with brands to recommending products you love, or even selling ebooks, courses, or exclusive content, the possibilities are endless. Your blog becomes not just a source of information, but a hub of income streams. Think of your blog as a multifaceted canvas where you can paint your financial future. Monetization isn't about compromising your authenticity. It's about adding value to your readers while creating opportunities for yourself. And the best part? As you diversify your income streams, you're not just building financial stability, you're also amplifying your impact. Your readers benefit from the valuable recommendations and resources you provide, while you enjoy the fruits of your hard work. Point 4. Building a community. Now, let's talk about the power of community. Research has shown that bloggers who actively engage with their readers and foster a sense of belonging tend to have higher success rates. Your readers are more than just visitors. They're a community that supports and values your expertise. Oftentimes bloggers respond to comments and hosting live Q&A sessions. The screen comes alive with heartwarming visuals of bloggers actively engaging with their readers. We witness bloggers responding thoughtfully to comments, addressing questions, and creating a genuine connection with their audience. The scenes highlight the authentic dialogue that cultivates a sense of community. Interacting with the audience on social media. A series of captivating images showcases bloggers interacting with their audience on social media platforms. From sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses to running engaging polls and contests, these visuals demonstrate how bloggers extend their community reach beyond the confines of their blog. Montage of bloggers attend meetups, conferences, and networking events to showcase their works. A dynamic montage unfolds, capturing bloggers attending meetups, conferences, and networking events. We witness the camaraderie, knowledge sharing, and collaborative spirit that thrive in these settings, illustrating the real-world connections that bolster a strong online community. Think of your blog as a platform for connection. When you engage with your audience, listen to their feedback, and provide solutions, you're not just building readership, you're forging a tribe that rallies behind your journey. Your community is your biggest asset, and its growth isn't just a metric, it's a testament to the impact you're making. The bonds you create transcend the digital realm, creating a network of like-minded individuals who are eager to learn, share, and support each other. In a world that's increasingly digital, the yearning for genuine connections remains stronger than ever. Your blog isn't just a solitary platform. It's a gathering place where readers become friends, and conversations evolve into collaborations. Point 5. Scaling your success. Last but not least, let's talk about scaling your blog's success. According to research, bloggers who consistently adapt to changing trends, experiment with new content formats, and invest in their skills tend to stay relevant and grow their income over time. In addition to learning new skills, Many bloggers attend workshops to collaborate. The screen showcases bloggers in diverse learning environments, attending workshops, webinars, and courses. These images capture the determination of bloggers committed to honing their craft, expanding their knowledge, and staying ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Experimenting with new content formats. A series of captivating visuals depicts bloggers exploring new content formats. We witness bloggers venturing into video creation, podcasting, infographics, and interactive content. These experiments showcase the dynamic evolution of their blogs and their dedication to engaging their audience in fresh, innovative ways. Bloggers also celebrate key milestones and launching new products. The screen comes alive with exhilarating clips of bloggers celebrating their milestones, hitting subscriber goals, launching e-books, online courses, and other digital products. These moments of achievement illustrate the tangible rewards that come from strategic growth and diversification. Remember, growth is a continuous journey. As you evolve, so does your blog. Embrace new challenges, keep learning, and don't be afraid to explore innovative ways to amplify your impact and income. Scaling your blog success isn't just about chasing numbers, it's about fostering a mindset of perpetual growth. By embracing change, pushing your boundaries, and persistently seeking new avenues, you're positioning yourself to soar to new heights. And here's the secret sauce. As your blog evolves and your skills sharpen, you become a beacon of inspiration. Your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs become a source of motivation for your readers, encouraging them to dream bigger and pursue their passions. Conclusion. So, there you have it, aspiring bloggers, a roadmap to transform your passion for blogging into a flourishing business. From crafting compelling content to building a thriving community and monetizing strategically, you're equipped with the tools to turn your from blog to bank dreams into reality. Now, it's over to you. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Share your thoughts, questions, and success stories in the comments below. And if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that empowers you to chase your dreams.